OXO, we know peelers. Our original line of a dozen kitchen tools launched in 1990, and our first runaway hit was a peeler. Thanks, Sam Farber. The OXO Pro Swivel Peeler has a very long peeler blade that is made of extra hardened, precision ground stainless steel. It features a non-slip, contoured grip with extra cushioned grip areas for comfort. The body is constructed of sturdy Zi-cast zinc, and this swivel peeler features an efficient ire to quickly remove stubborn blemishes on fruits and vegetables, and is completely dishwasher safe. Here's a good tip. The Pro Swivel Peeler is also great for creating thin ribbons of chocolate and butter, or shredding asparagus, cucumber, or carrots for salad and vegetable pastas. When we develop product at OXO, there's a lot of hands-on testing involved. You can imagine that we baked lots of extra cookies and cakes so that we could get these silicone spatulas just right. Unlike ordinary rubber spatulas, our silicone spatulas stay flexible and will not discolor. The silicone is heat resistant to 600 degrees, so won't melt during cooking and is safe to use with coated or nonstick cookware. The soft, non-slip handles are cushioned and keep your hand comfortable as you cook, stir, or scrape. The small spatula is perfect for reaching food in jars of all shapes and sizes. The medium spatula has a rounded edge that makes it ideal for scraping bowls and a square edge for pushing batter into pan corners. The spoon spatula is perfect for mixing, scooping, and stealing a quick taste. Here's a good tip. Use the heads without the handles as bowl scrapers.